my name is Aisha and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I am going to share with you some of my favorite brown nude lipsticks which are going to suit on every Indian skin tone. So I have some bullet lipstick recommendations, liquid lipsticks and a gloss at the end too. So if you are interested, then keep on watching until the end and let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and comment which one was your favorite lipsticks among them all, and also if you have any other recommendations so that we can all get new recommendations. And yeah, now let's get inside. So the first recommendation which I have for you guys is the one which I have on my lips right now, and this is how it looks. This is from Faces Canada. So it is a bullet lipstick and I love the black packaging, and this is how the shade looks. I think it's very pretty. Prices will be down below here on the screen somewhere. So overall I love this lipstick. It gives a very cream matte finish. It is not at all drying on the lips. It's very moisturizing and very comfortable. Of course it's a bullet lipstick, so it's not transfer proof, as you guys will see right now. So you guys can see it just. However, I can assure you guys that if you're not eating anything oily, then your lipstick is going to be intact. It is not going to get smudged at all, and as I said, it's very comfortable. You can apply it and keep it on your lips. You can keep this lipstick on your lips throughout the day and you will not be budged by it at all. So this is in the shade Pretty Sapphire, but they also have another shade which is in the name Mauve, which is I think totally gorgeous. So you guys can also check that out if you want. Next recommendation which I have for you guys is from Stay Quirky. Now who does not know about Stay Quirky and purple lipsticks? And of course some purple lipsticks are there later in this video. So this is how the lipstick looks, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But again, it's a liquid lipstick, so it's going to be drying on the lips. However, it is not transfer proof. You can apply it on morning and it will be there until night, no matter what you eat, no matter what you do. So I absolutely love this. However, it tends to get very dry at sometimes. What I do is that I always mix my liquid lipsticks with a little bit of gloss so that they are a little bit sparkly and does not feel too much dry on my lips. So let me swatch it and show you guys how it looks. So this is the lipstick and now I'm going to swatch it. So this is how it looks. The shade is very pretty. It looks very creamy gloss. For your everyday neutral look, I think this is really pretty. Shade which I have for you guys is again from Stay Quirky, and the name of this is I Woke Up Like This 3, and this is how it looks. Totally love this shade. Actually it's very pretty. So when I it does not look a lot different from the earlier one, but still there's a little bit of difference. All the makeup lovers will understand the difference. So first I'm going to swatch it and show you guys how it looks. So as I said, you guys won't be able to tell the difference. It looks very much similar, and on camera it looks even much more similar, but when you apply it on your lips on real life, you will see that they are quite different. So again, it's very similar to the previous one. It is very creamy, matte, however very drying on the lips, so you can mix a gloss with it, and it's transfer proof and it's going to stay all day long. And yeah, again a very pretty shade. So the next lip shade which I have for you guys is from Purple, and I know this shade is very controversial because I know a lot of people who do not agree with my choice of lip color, especially when it comes to this one. So this is how the lip shade looks, and I totally love this. The name of this shade is Hiking That I Want to Repeat For, and this is how it looks. I apply it and I love it. It just looks very nice, and again this is a very different kind of nude shade, so you need to know the right kind of makeup which will go with it. But overall what I can say is that if you are one of that person who likes a no makeup look, then this one is perfect. Again, it's a liquid lipstick, so it does get a little bit dry. However, this one tends to be very dry because you can see the cracks on your lips, which I don't think is a very good scene to see. However, if you do mix it with a lip gloss or just apply a little bit of lip balm on your lips and then apply it, then you will not see any creases, any cracks. So that's a little hack which I use with liquid lipsticks, and I'm sure you guys can use it too. Overall, this is a very pretty shade. I absolutely love this. I apply it every day. I apply it most of the times when I'm not applying my nude browns because I absolutely love this. Love how this looks very neutral on your face, and that is why I majorly love this. Most of the people majorly hate it because it looks very neutral and looks like you have not applied anything at all, and that is why I actually love it. So let's swatch it. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Of course it will look different on every skin tone and it depends upon the pigmentation of your lips. But overall it looks like you have not applied anything on your lips, and that is what I actually love, and I have said it 3 times. So let's move on to the next one. So the next lipstick which I'm going to talk about is from Apsa Halal, and if you know Apsa Halal, they are available on Purple. Their shades are perfect for any nude lover. So I have these 2 shades and both of them are equally gorgeous. Of course, I was not able to find both of them while I was making this video, so here are the swatches and here are the pictures and a little bit of a snippet. First shade which I have from them, and the color is so pretty. It's perfect for every day and I just love this shade. It's not very sticky on the lips. This is the another shade which I have from them, so it does not crack your lips, which I think is very nice. It does not dry your lips, very comfortable, and I just love these shades. These are also liquid lipsticks, however, they are not at all as dry as compared to the earlier ones, that is the ones from Stay Quirky and Purple. So these liquid lipsticks are very comfortable on your lips, and again, they do not give a very matte finish. Like, even if you are eating something oily, they will get removed, but then again, it's perfect for everyday use, very comfortable on your lips. If you want something comfortable, these are the one for you. And the shades are just perfect for everyday use. I think they have the shades which will actually suit every skin tone, especially if you are wanting to try out brown shades, nude shades, then you definitely have to check them out. They are available on Purple. And yeah, that's that. And now finally let's move on to my last recommendation, which is a gloss recommendation. So this is the gloss which I usually apply. This is from Deborah Milano, and this is the Glossium one which it looks like. So I have it for a year or a year and a half now, and I absolutely love this one. So it's in this pink shade, however when you apply it on your lips, it's perfectly nude. It gives a little bit hint of pink, however it's not that bright pink. So if you just want to apply it like that, a very beautiful light pink glossy look. However, I like to apply it with my nude lipsticks, with my bullet lipsticks, and use it as a gloss. However, on its own it's pretty good as well. Let me swatch it and show you guys. And the staying power of it is not that long because it's a gloss, so whenever you are going to eat something, it is going to go off. However, I love it, but one thing is that it does feel a little bit sticky on your lips, which I think is very common with glosses. However, if that does not bother you, then you can totally check it out. I absolutely love this one. You will not be disappointed. Very cute, pretty nude, and I absolutely love this one. And this is my go-to. Very comfortable on the lips, very hydrating, very moisturizing, gives that blingy sparkly look on your lips. And yeah, that's about that. So guys, that was all about my favorite nude brown shades which would suit every Indian skin tone. If you want a pinkish nude video, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I have few of them. Like, I majorly have the brown ones. I don't really have that many pink ones because I go for the brown ones more. However, if you guys want it, let me know in the comment section down below and I will definitely make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope to see you guys next time. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment which lipstick was your favorite, or if you have any other recommendation which I did not talk about, I would really love to know about it more. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye.